Hi guys, it's Angelina, and as you can tell by the title, I am doing a blindfolded slime challenge. So let's get started. So to blindfold myself, I have this towel that I just roll it up into a ball, basically, and then I have this rubber band to tie it. So let's blindfold myself. There it is. Okay. Let's start. Okay, so I need the bowl. No. Is this the bowl? Yep, that's the bowl. I need the spoon. Put it on this side. Nope, that's glue bottles. Where is the glue? oh, I mean the spoon. Here it is. Okay, so now I need glue, and I don't know which one is which. I thought there was another one. Oh, here it is. Ow. I'm gonna go with this one as the clear bottle. No, this one is a clear bottle. Wait, but I used a clear bottle, so it should be lighter. This one's a clear bottle. So I'm gonna pour it in now. Is anything coming out? I don't know if anything's coming out. So put this right here. Now I need the water. Oh, is this it? Oh yeah, that's it. Let's pour some in. I don't know how much to add. Okay. Let's mix it. I feel like that's good. I'm just gonna get some more glue in there because I need some more glue because I don't have enough glue in there. I feel like. Let's get some glue in there. Oh, that's surprising. I thought I didn't have any clear glue left. Okay, so now that it's completely clear and mixed, I need to find the beads. Oh. Where's the beads? No. Oh, found them. So, I guess I have to add, like, some of the beads. But I don't want to drop it. It's going in the bowl, right? Is it coming out? Okay, I think that one's done. Where's the pen? Oh, shoot. That's the glue bottles. Okay. That's a glue ball. Now you have to mix it. Oh yeah, I feel the beads in there. Hopefully I'm doing well. Okay, now I feel like it's kneaded enough. Oh, the sides are very sticky. Now with the borax. Is this the borax? Add some borax. I'm gonna add some like this now. I'm gonna add some more borax. Which is the upside down? Oh, there it is. That's the right side. And I don't feel like I'm adding it in the right place. Hopefully that's good. Ooh, I feel it forming. This is really annoying not knowing what it looks like. Because a huge part of making slime is knowing what it looks like. Okay, that feels a little sticky. So I'm adding, oh, that's the bowl again. Where is it? Oh. Is this the right side? Where's the right side? Okay. I feel like I'm not. Ooh, I think I added too much. I don't even know if I got everything out. Oh. Oh. Okay, I think it's time for me to knead it. So let's put this aside. Oh my god, there's tons of slime on the side. Okay, but where's the bowl? Oh, there it is. Now it's time for me to knead it and put everything else aside. Put that right there, I feel like that's a good spot. Okay, where's the slime? Oh, here it is. Knead it. I feel like this is very, very hard. Okay, so now it's time for me to reveal it. Because I think I'm good. Yeah. I think I'm done with my slime. Ooh, it's so bright. I haven't seen this slime. Oh my god, I added some of the white glue to it. And everything was so messy. This was right on the side. That could have fell. Literally. But this is actually really good. This actually looks really pretty. But this is actually pretty good slime. So I think I did pretty good. Except it's a little hard. A little hard. It's actually really, really pretty though. I'm not going to change the texture, but I really, really want to. Did I use all the beads? Ooh, I didn't want to use all the beads. A bead fell out. Beads are falling out. Ugh. It's actually a really good slime for being blindfolded. And it's super, super light. It's stuck in my hair. Okay. So, that's it for the blindfolded slime, I guess. That's actually a pretty good blindfolded slime. I wish I couldn't see the process because I really wanted this to be clear. But it's not. It's white because I added white glue to it. It like feels exactly the same. Except one's heavier. How did I not know that? This is the last. Okay, so that's it for me trying the blindfolded slime challenge. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'm definitely gonna go put this in a container. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time on Angelina's DIY and Fun World. Like and subscribe. Bye!